It is a very early morning, and I'm going to meet up with some friends. I think they're going to try to do 100 kilometers. I will not be joining them. Got to be home a little bit earlier, but brought my camera. See if anything interesting happens. Look, Mandawi bike lanes. First time? Kamu ha? Ikaw?
Kuha din ako, ika-5th din ako ng 100 for this week.
Oh yeah?
Kanang napoy virtual race na distance ang kuan ba?
Ah.
So every weekend, motam ko 100.
Oh, mayo.
Yung mileage for this week, lapas ako mileage for the year.
Oh yeah? So Kansaga Bay Bridge tamo agi? Naday gyapon walk the bike nga rin. Just some of the things you have to deal with being a cyclist in Cebu. Little cyclocross. Okay, let's get to the ride. So many cyclists today, but also so many cars and motorcycles. Okay, mo ako video?
Oh, sure. Follow mo kasi mo vlog.
Tama ba? Hi, thanks.
Thanks.
Hey, what's your name?
Markem.
Markem? Carlo ba?
What's that tong? The other guy with the blue shoes.
Blue shoes?
Ano story mo?
Ah, wala. Story lang good. Kanang he was just like, hoy, salamat sa to, ha? No, may problema. Anytime.
No, pero na-abuse ko ba? Makataw kayo, makalit lang ako. Mag-drop din mo lang yun ba?
Yeah, because ako, difference if you draft.
Ako eh. Ang kagamay sa ligid.
So like ideally you want to be close, almost like this. No? But you don't want to be wheel to wheel. You want to be a little bit off center para, you know, in case mukalit lag stop. When the person in front has to kanang do hand signals also. Na pothole, aritas left, uy, mo stop ko. Are you guys gonna eat or tuyok na or balik na ta?
Ikaw, are you eating?
No. I have to go.
Sige, inom lang.
Buko juice is there. So, bye, this is the hard part na.
I thought that was the...
The hard part is on the way home.
Ingno na sa tawiyok saan eh. Nga mag-gravel na.
Lagi? Master N.
Bito!
Gravel, oy.
Have to leave. Ganahan kag long distance.
Gravel.
Mas-
Mas railway ka pa.
Kanang versatile kayo ang kuan ba? Gravel ba?
Di ba, mag-Borussia makaka? Ha?
Hindi ko nga actually, nakuyaman ko mapta ng init.
Lagi, wala lagi na.
That's part of the experience.
Kasi para ganado ka kung balik. Yung magbahay na yun, ikabalik, kaya init na kayo.
Energetic pa kayo balik ba? Pero baliktad ang wind direction ka karon.
Oh, usually when I go back, murag grabe na kayong headwind.
Karon ang headwind kaysa
I don't know, murag ako pessimistic gyapon kay ko.
nga naagyapon ini ko ba.
Yeah, pessimistic gyapon kay ko ron. Brutal ride back. Headwind galore. That was brutal. Oh man, I'm so tired. Great ride though. It's just a lot. I didn't expect to be doing 100 today. Ran out of food, ran out of water. Good thing the sun wasn't out, so it wasn't hot. But wow, super windy. Super windy. I was able to hitch a ride with a couple of fast guys on the way home. Whew. So I gotta rest. I gotta eat. I gotta rest. Shout out Dustin Klein, the ride by the numbers. 110.73 kilometers, 4 hours, 34 minutes, and 35 seconds moving time, and 411 meters of elevation gain. Alright, subscribe. No boring days.